Welcome to Semrush tutorials, and in this video I'm going to show you ContentShake AI by Semrush. Now Semrush has a lot of tools. As you can see, we have social AI, content generator, and SERP gap analyzer. Like if you want to know what are the best, how the SERP results, like how to get into SERP, like first page, how to rank in AI overviews, then this SERP gap analyzer is going to help you. And then we have a lot of ad clarity, like if you're running ads, then you want to know what are the best keywords and like what are the best ad creatives you can create, then you can sign up for that. But today I'm going to show you ContentShake AI from Semrush. Okay, I'm going to walk you through step by step. But before that, I have something to share with you from Semrush. By the way, this video is sponsored by Semrush, and I'm happy to tell you that they're giving you own personal AI assistant for free when you buy Semrush Pro within 7 days, and it's for a limited time and it's an invite only. There'll be a link in the description. You can check that out and make sure you get your own personal AI assistant when it comes to writing SEO content or every single thing, okay, and identifying keywords. I made a video about it. By the way, if you go to my channel and if you scroll down on our homepage, you can see Semrush keyword research for SEO tutorials. I made a bunch of whole tutorials. I even made a 1-hour tutorial on Semrush. You can check that out. So with that being said, what is ContentShake AI? Now, it's a AI SEO writer and also AI SEO assistant, which gonna give you a brief SEO content and also article optimize, and also it will create a social media post for you. Now you just have to simply enter your title or topic or keyword and click on generate. It's gonna do the job for you within a single minute. Now why don't we research some keyword and find a good keyword before writing a whole SEO article using Semrush AI, ContentShake AI. Now I'm inside the Semrush dashboard, and if I go to the keyword magic tool, and here I'm gonna choose my country where I want to get the keywords from. So it's a US, and here I'm going to give my domain for AI powered future. By the way, you can get this AI for completely free, tailored to your own account by accessing this limited offer. Now I simply go here and click on money, make money, okay, and click on search. Now we are getting keywords and we have 478k keywords. But if you notice carefully, there's a 2 separate columns extra has been added, which is potential traffic and potential keyword density, which means you can see if you closely look at this is a potential traffic which Semrush AI is predicting that this is the traffic which you're going to get. Okay, so this is actual volume, estimated number of searches in a month. Okay, now the potential traffic, the higher the traffic and the keyword difficulty, and the potential keyword difficulty, the greener it is, the relevant it is, which means the relevant it is to your domain, and topical, like it's basically telling how topical authority are you or is your domain about this keyword. Okay, now I have to find the green one, and I have to find the less potential keyword difficulty. So I'm just gonna make this into descending order. One second, yeah. So making this descending order, and also I can make the potential traffic high to low. Okay, you can do that. Okay, make sure you use the filters. I mean, using the filters and also making the keyword difficulty, it's so much time saving, guys. Okay, now my least PKD, which is the personal keyword difficulty, is 60. So make money online business. Okay, make money online for beginners. Now I'm gonna pick one. Otherwise, what I'm gonna do is how to make money from online without investment. So I'm gonna pick this keyword. Okay, I'm gonna pick this keyword, go back to AI, ContentShake AI, and then simply input the keyword and click on generate article. Now watch this, guys. So it's preparing the article preview. Okay, this is a preview. I mean, they even have the editor inside the Semrush itself. Okay, which is gonna give you a lot of insights and overviews, and you can also improve the SEO article before publishing to the WordPress. Now the audience location is United States. Title, how to make money from online without investment. I can simply click see suggestions, and it's gonna give me 5 suggestions used by competitors and also the AI suggestions. Okay, So it says explicitly, please note that using this example could be seen as plagiarism. So like it's giving you even the tips, guys. It's given like even the strategies, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the competitors to get paid to test, become a click worker, 9 ways to make 9 ways to make money online for beginners. Okay, now I'm going to click this. I'm going to use this title, and so this is the phase 1, guys. So there are 2 phases before getting an entire article inside ContentShake AI. Now phase 1 is you're gonna get the audience location. You have to set this meta title, which is a really good suggested by AI and used by competitors, and also you have target keywords. Okay, so it's a AI recommended like based on what is the search volume and every single thing, keyword difficulty and a suggested word count. Okay, so it's a 3000 any article more than 2000 words is a pillar content. Okay, so I don't think I need pillar content for this 9 ways, so I'm just gonna go with 2000 words. Okay, and then if I click on show advanced options, like it's a tone type neutral, so I'm gonna leave it default. Readability, okay, 8 to 9 grade. And then we have got SEO booster, so I'm just gonna opt in. Have your content optimized with the competitive search data to help it rank higher. This may take up to 4 minutes. Okay, now what it does is it's gonna do the deep research analysis about the keywords which a competitor are using. Like it's gonna pull up the first page, I guess, and do the deep analysis, like ChatGPT, right? How it takes a minute or 2 minutes to complete the deep research if you have access. So that's what the same thing it does. So I'm just gonna click on SEO booster, and then so all things set, and then create article. Now this is a phase 2. Like all the phase 1 is very complete, and it start analyzing the targeted keywords, does the deep research, identify main competitors. Now you can see the step-by-step happening right here. Now they have explicitly said this may take some time because yes, of course, because go through the web, pulls up the latest information, real-time data, analyze the competitors' content keywords, and then search related keyword topics, and also analyze SERP, and so it's even running advanced SERP analysis for your keywords. Like I think it's gonna do trial and error method. I don't know what's happening in the background, but yeah, the articles which generated by this tool is really good, guys. SEO optimized. Trust me, you don't need any AI SEO editor, especially when it comes to there are a lot of SEO AI writers out there, and the best SEO writer is the ContentShake AI coming from the Semrush SEO tool itself. Now Semrush has a lot of reputation, guys. Okay, so again, there's a limited time offer. The link will be in the description, and you can check that out. When you purchase Semrush Pro plan, you can get your own free AI personal assistant. Whatever I got the potential traffic and potential keyword difficulty right here. Okay, you're gonna get it for free. Okay, and keep in mind this offer is only for 7 days. So you can see as it is generating, and you can see what's happening in the back end, and you can see finding interesting facts for your article, researching current trends for your topic, generating content structure ideas based on findings, defining article structure, crafting original content, which means it's gonna be plagiarism free, and also optimizing content for engagement and rankings, scoring the initial draft, finalizing your SEO friendly article, and it goes on. Okay, it goes on giving you an entire 2000 words plus like whatever the number of words you have chosen. Okay, and finalizing SEO friendly article. So I'm just gonna wait and let this thing do. As you can see, the article is ready, which is 9 easy ways to make money online for beginners. Now you can see we have the intro and nicely split into paragraphs, and then we have 1 2 3 every single thing, 9 different ways. Okay, and then we have the conclusion, and the only thing missing from this is FAQs. By the way, to add FAQs, we can also chat with AI and tell it to add FAQs. Now you can directly publish to your WordPress, and they have an integration feature, but let's gonna view the tips. Okay, what it is suggesting. SEO improvements, add images. Okay, now add images to your article to make it more appealing to the users. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is click on add image, And here I'm just gonna describe my image at your train example. Like it is it gives out AI generated images. Now what I'm gonna do is, so let me see one of the anything to any prompt to generate image. Okay, you know what, sell products on e-commerce. So let me try it out with this, and let's see what it comes up with, if it is going to be relevant or not, because AI models, the LLM AI models has been very well trained nowadays. You can create a lot of high quality image generation. Okay, even the videos. Okay, a lot of high quality video generation we can create. But yeah, speaking of the AI image generation, now again, it's not that good, but we can use it. Okay, we can use it. Like it saves a lot of time, but I would prefer to use my Canva account to create images. I'm gonna do it from myself. Okay, because I need I can copyright on the images, every single thing. Okay, now we can use it. We can directly paste at the editor cursor. So I can simply do like this, and yeah, it's gonna do the job for me. Okay, so I'm just gonna delete this. I'll go back. Now we can also use the stock images. If I go to the Unsplash, now guys, the thing about Semrush is you have access to AI generated content, and you also have access to stock images. Okay, so that's a good thing. Okay, let me go back to improvements, view the tips, and all right, these suggestions are more into giving out way to fix and optimize your content. Okay, if you follow this, the article would be good. And then let's say I'll go into the AI chat, and let me ask it to add 3 FAQs at the end. Okay, so let me see if it can do the job for me. I mean, it should, because it has a editor access. So it has generated FAQs related to my article. Now I can go here at the end. I can simply select right here and simply click on paste at editor cursor. Okay, so that's it. Now you can see the heading FAQs, and the only thing when you're pushing to WordPress is you need to add it in the FAQs schema database. Okay, to optimize it very well. Now let me click on competitor data, and you can also see their introductions, their images. Okay, all the data is given right here, and you can directly take inspirations, maybe replicate it, and you can also see the outlines, H1, H2, you can see right here, and also articles for inspiration. You can do the job. Like Semrush gives you suggestions which are really, really good, and that's the thing I like about ContentShake AI from Semrush. Okay, so other than that, I like this really cool thing. Like this is identifying the traffic, how much you're going to get based on your domain personalization. Again, the link will be in the description. Make sure to check that out, and you have 7 days. So I hope you get your free AI assistant. With that being said, catch you on the next one. Make sure you check out this video right here.